If you are still reading textbooks for hours, you are wasting your time, because these free websites can help you study way faster. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Famous Tech Logic. On this channel, I post useful websites or AI tools that can help you out on your day-to-day activity. If you are a student or someone who happens to be on the online space, so do well to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and if at all you have any questions, put it in the comment section. And also guys, I upload on Instagram as well, so kindly do me a favor and go follow me there too. The link to my Instagram channel will be in this video description. Let's go. Most students spend hours trying to memorize notes and still forget everything during exams. The problem is not you, it's how you are studying. This website is called Quizlet and it is completely free to start. Let me show you exactly how to use it to start studying smarter. All you have to do is to go to quizlet.com, create a free account using your email or Google account. Once you are in, you'll see a search bar and a study set. Let's say you are studying biology. Just type biology exam or your topic and you will see thousands of flashcards already created by other students. Just click on any of the flashcards and boom, you have made your studying easier for you. Now this is where it gets powerful. You can flip through flashcards like this, a question on one side and the answer will be at the other side. This helps your brain remember faster than just reading. You can also use the learn mode. It turns your notes into quiz automatically. You can also use the test mode feature. It generates questions for you to practice. So instead of you guessing what will come out, you are actually practicing it. And the best part is you can even create your own flashcards. Just click create, add your questions and answers and you're good to go. So instead of reading for 5 hours, you can study smarter in less time and actually remember what you learn. That's the difference guys. The link to this particular platform will be in this video description. If you want more free tools like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and go follow me on Instagram as well. And this is it for today guys. Bye for now. See you on my next video.